brochure of Sowing Seeds, which is a play school and a preschool. So we have various curriculum for children which are aptly suited along with R&D, as like what I was just telling you earlier. Okay. So here we have child's development into different areas like towards arts and craft, music and dance, puzzles, okay, and beading, matching and sorting, role play, as like what I was telling you regarding the doctor play or maybe a teacher's role that children would play. Along with this, we also have language development. See, language development here, it is divided accordingly like national language, state language and international language, happening to be English, Hindi and Kannada respectively. Okay. So here, as like I was telling you, our curriculum is totally divided into 4 quarters. So in every 4 quarter, children will be learning 4 English rhymes, 2 Hindi rhymes and 2 Kannada rhymes. Along with this, they will also be learning 1 English story, 1 Hindi story and 1 Kannada story. So that when the child goes for an interview for the next section, next class or next standard, then the child easily is able to access in all the 3 languages. Suppose if the parent has got shifted from Bangalore to Delhi, then the child should not be lame with Hindi. Okay, it should immediately able to catch that there was some words which I heard in Hindi, that is towards maybe a story or rhymes, whichever it has heard. It should be easy for it to flow across. Okay, so for the same purpose we have introduced rhymes into 3 various languages. Okay, so here we also have communication with parents through diary. Okay, so this diary it goes along with the note, because children, they cannot communicate everything to parents. So we also go through this media like the regular curriculum diary as what we go ahead. Okay, so we also have this menu card system. Here menu card system is a hassle free for parents. Okay, so they need not have to check out. See, one thing is there would be some uniform pattern for children when they carry their lunch. So in case if they have carried roti and curry today, so every child will go ahead with roti and curry, so that the child feels it is having a uniform kind of a eating. Okay, and they are also sharing. See, sort of sharing feeling and uniformity is started through this menu. And coming to the part of hassle free towards parents, see, when very next day like Sunday, there is always a Sunday and Monday syndrome for children. So always Sunday evening, parents scratch their brain what tomorrow to be cooked. Okay, especially mothers. Okay, when it is readily available. See, coming Monday, if at all if we have dosa and chutney, okay, then it will be easy for parents to understand. Okay, fine, I'll prepare dosa and chutney happening to be the uniform menu. It will be easy for every parent to go across accordingly. Okay, so along with this, we also subscribe children to go ahead with kind of squash or juice, so that the child will know more about fruits and squash, that is fruit punch. See, children have to eat lot of vegetables, and that dietary maintenance is always needed. Okay, and that balanced diet, children are generally cranky towards eating. They take hours and hours together to get fed. Okay, so accordingly what we do is, when this starts off right from the school, it will be easy for children to make them understand that everything my co-classmate is eating, so even I have to eat this. Yeah. So this kind of a bonding, when it starts, it becomes easy for parents also to make them eat everything. And we also educate children that the food should not be spilt. It has to eat everything that mama has cooked, even whether if it is upma or maybe a rice item or whatever. So children should be very comfortable. See, they should feel mama has cooked it, so definitely it is yummy, I should have this. Okay, and next they can ask for whatever they are asking for, maybe a chocolate, maybe a biscuit or whatever, cookie or so. So but when it comes to the part of regular routine, then the child should feel very comfortable while eating it. So here we also have introduced a Sanskar book. See, Sanskar is our culture. So in this culture, we teach them how to respect elders. They need to respect elders. They need to understand how old people have to be treated, and how we respect our parents, like Matru Devo Bhava, Pitru Devo Bhava. We also give them certain shlokas. See, it is also said through R&D, like when children chant lot of Sanskrit shlokas, their language development will be too very good. So accordingly, we also introduce short shlokas for children in one such way that it will be easy for them to go ahead with their language development in future. Okay, so this Sanskar book helps accordingly, that they have to be along with the family, and family makes a lot of good bondage and sharing part, like as like I was just telling you. So we also have deities. Okay, different religion has different deities, and they have to respect them. And each culture we have to undergo with. Along with that, we also need to have nation bondage. Okay, that is, I am an Indian, so I should feel lot of proud towards the same, and that nationality has to go ahead with children. So these kind of sanskar program also will be given accordingly. We also teach lot of etiquettes for children even during lunch time. That is how they need to hold their fork, spoon, or maybe a butter knife, how they need to handle it and go ahead eating, and that should be without spilling or not wasting the food or children are provided with these ID cards. Okay, one is for mother and one is for father. This can also be handed over to any of the guardians in case if they are coming to pick the child. But previously they have to give us an intimation that today neither mother or father is coming, or whoever is coming regular. Apart from them, the other person is going to come. So that it will be easy and handy for us. Once they show us this ID card, it will be easy for us to send the child across. And we also make sure that we give a call to the parents and ask them to talk over the phone, so that if they are comfortable only, then we will send child to the person whom we haven't seen, or maybe a new person who comes to pick the child. So this goes accordingly through this ID card. When I introduce to a flashcard, then the child is introduced like this. This flashcard is held this way, and A. So A for apple. So two things goes ahead simultaneously in this case. That is, one is A. I am introducing A with for the child, and apple is one more word which I am introducing new for the child, and it also comes along with color concept. This is red. Okay. So three things simultaneously goes to the child's brain, and it works uniformly and in the best manner. So next time when the child says A, immediately this flashcard should be flashed in his mind. Okay, so this is how the uniform flashcard has been developed. So we also gave them worksheets. See, worksheets for children, it is again weekly once that we provide, that may be somewhere around weekends. Okay, so this is a worksheet. The flashcard speaks about the same. Here, as you can see, it is the same. Along with this, we also enhance the vocabulary of children. That is A for apple, and we also have anaconda here, which is a new vocabulary for the child. Aeroplane, which is again a common one, and child loves to understand regarding aeroplane. And this is an alligator. Okay, so alligator, when the child sees all these three simultaneously, okay, A for apple, A for alligator, A for anaconda, and A for aeroplane. So many things in A. It is not only apple. So they have a vocabulary enhancement simultaneously when we introduce accordingly. Okay, so the same worksheet has to go even to homework. If this is done as a class work, so you can just see this as a class work. Okay, so the same thing has to go to it, so that it will have that uniform bonding. Okay, so that the child can go ahead with homework. Okay, I had seen an airplane, so I have to color this in red color. So the child will scribble, color it, and get it back on Monday. So once in a week the homeworks will be given to children as one sheet of worksheet. Okay, and here again we have the similar kind of circle concepts for children. So that the same thing goes ahead accordingly in homework sheet as well. Okay, so this is regarding the curriculum.